4 is Epson EcoTank ET-2800 wireless printer. The Epson EcoTank ET-2800 wireless color all-in-one cartridge-free supertank printer is an amazing choice for those looking for the best edible printer for cakes. This innovative printer eliminates the need for expensive ink cartridges and features high-capacity ink tanks that save you up to 90% on replacement ink costs. The EcoFit ink bottles make refilling easy and stress-free, and with up to 2 years of ink included in the box, you can say goodbye to frustrating out-of-ink moments. This printer's impressive print quality is achieved through its unique Micro Piezo Heat-Free Technology, which produces sharp text and vibrant colors on virtually any paper. The built-in scanner and copier make document copying and navigation effortless, and the wireless and voice-activated printing capabilities allow for convenient printing from your smart device. Not only is this printer incredibly reliable, but it also helps reduce cartridge waste ending up in landfills. With a worry-free 2-year limited warranty, including full unit replacement, the Epson EcoTank ET-2800 is a great investment for anyone looking for a high-quality, eco-friendly edible cake printer. If you are interested in this wireless printer, then check out the link provided in the description box to purchase it.